Hey guys, this is Ryan Blair here at Halo Inc. and today I'm showing you how to use the CNC print cut template. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and open up your approved artwork. We've got it right here. We're going to do Control G to group and Control C to copy. Next you're going to go to the farm and templates and you're going to go ahead and open up this CNC print cut template. That will open up looking something like this. And if we take a look at the layers over here, we got 3 layers. We got registration marks, which are those guys right there, which will be explained later. Then we've got a cut layer and a print layer. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to take a look at our material size. So we're going to do a Shift O, and you're going to want to talk to production to figure out what size sheet we're working with if it isn't specified in the order. This particular job is a 3mm cincher job that we're using a full 4x8 sheet. So this template defaults to 47 by 95. That way you've got a 1/2 inch all the way around, just as a safety margin. So that's okay. If you were cutting on a smaller piece, then you could go ahead and change your material size accordingly. And what we're going to do next is I'm just going to go down to the bottom here, and we're going to do Control V to paste in the artwork. And the first thing that we're going to want to do is we're going to want to create the cut line. So we're going to do Control Shift G to ungroup it, and we're going to click on just the background, and we're going to copy that, and we're going to do Control Shift V to paste it into place. Next, what we're going to do is down here, the fill and stroke, we're going to go ahead and turn off our fill and put on a black stroke. Whoops, why did that turn white? A black stroke. And we're going to go to the stroke options, and we are going to change that to a 0.01, like so. If we go to our layers, we're going to take it from the print layer, and we're going to grab this little square while it's selected and move it up to the cut layer. So if we were to turn off print, you can see we just have our cut rectangle, so you can turn that off and on. So we're going to go back to the print layer here, click on our background, and we're going to go ahead and just add a little bit of a bleed to this. So I'm going to go ahead and just copy the fill color from down here, and now we're going to put on a 7-point stroke, and we're going to set it to the outside. Oops. Set it to the outside there, 7-point stroke. That is where your stroke options are. And then we're going to go into the stroke color and paste in that background color that we copied. So it should look something like that, and if we were to click off of it, you can see that that cut layer is sitting nicely on top. So that is part 1 of this video. Stay tuned for part 2. Thanks for watching.